Congratulations on advancing your career! While the Optician Recruiter offers top-quality training, we don't sell supplies or tools. You're responsible for sourcing your own training materials, and the good news is you can find everything you need on platforms like Amazon.com, eBay, VeteranLab.com, or even Etsy. The cost to get these materials is very affordable, roughly $18 a week. That's about the same as one Starbucks meal. It's a small investment that can open the door to an exciting, stable career in the optical industry. In the optical industry, optical jobs are in abundance. There's practically an optical shop every mile. You'll always have opportunities to grow and thrive. Whether you're aiming to become a skilled optician, advance into management, or even explore a path toward becoming an eye doctor, the possibilities are endless. We're committed to providing our associates with top-tier training to jumpstart their careers in the optical industry. To make the most of this opportunity, we ask that you invest in your future by obtaining your own materials. With your tools and supplies, you'll be able to tint clear lenses into sunglasses, adjust eyeglasses for a perfect fit, perform minor repairs to keep patients' glasses in excellent condition. And that's just the beginning. These skills will give you an edge, making you more knowledgeable than many opticians and highly marketable in the industry. You'll also have an 80% chance of being hired at one of the optical offices within our sales route or network. While you're free to purchase supplies from any source, we recommend VeteranLab.com. They offer all the essential tools covered in your training. Click one of the links below to get started.